Now another question from technology. Okay, the question is about consider the following statements about voice over Wi-Fi. Okay, we all heard about VoLTE because the voice over long-term evolution. That is, we used to exchange our voice through the 4G network. Okay, you must have heard about that because it was there in our 4G mobile phones and all. Okay, for the first statement is that all 4G compatible smartphones supports VO Wi-Fi. Okay, all 4G mobile phones supports VO Wi-Fi. Okay. Second is the VO Wi-Fi technology allows users to make outgoing calls to any mobile number by connecting to a public Wi-Fi network. Okay, that's the definition of VO Wi-Fi. And the third statement is both VO Wi-Fi and VoLTE can work in tandem. Okay, both VO Wi-Fi and VoLTE works in tandem each other. Okay, so let us check whether how can we use the daily life knowledge that we have with our mobile phones to answer this question. Okay, so first statement is that all 4G mobile phones support VO Wi-Fi. Okay, I have a 4G mobile phone and it supports voice over LTE. Okay, but I haven't doesn't come across some option like VO Wi-Fi, voice over Wi-Fi. If I'm connected to Wi-Fi, I cannot use that Wi-Fi connection to make a call. Okay, in my from that I know that this statement can be wrong because my mobile phone is a 4G mobile phone and it does not have an option like this. Whenever I connected to Wi-Fi and I cannot use that Wi-Fi to make a call. Okay, I didn't heard about some options like that. Then the second statement is that the VO Wi-Fi technology allows users to make outgoing calls to any mobile number by connecting to a public network, private Wi-Fi network. Okay, of course we are not the VoLTE because the voice over long-term evolution is used to give our voice through the 4G network. Okay, so that your Wi-Fi must be through the Wi-Fi network. We should be able to pass our voice. Okay, so that's a very definition of VO Wi-Fi. Okay, that can be right. And the third option is both VO Wi-Fi and VoLTE can work in tandem. Of course, how can we check that? How can we use common sense in that? Because VO Wi-Fi must be a next level technology. Is that it comes out? It comes the technology after VoLTE, that is the VoLTE. So that VI 4G must be a next level technology. So if a next level technology with a mobile phone with a VO Wi-Fi comes, then if it do not have the ability to have transmit the voice through the LTE, that is the long term evolution, then why we need that mobile phone? Because all this 4G and the voice over the Wi-Fi network should work in tandem. Then only then we can tell that as a next level technology. Or we are going back, but if it is on, if this only can be used by VO Wi-Fi, then we cannot use 4G network in that mobile phone. Then why we need that phone? Okay, so that in that sense you can tell that this must be the statement is both VO Wi-Fi and VoLTE can be work in tandem. That must happen because otherwise we don't need a mobile phone. Okay, so that the question is about options are like this: 1 and 2, B 1 only, C 2 only, D 1 2 3, and this is about not about correct option. It's about not correct option. The question is about not correct one. Okay, so the option is B 1 only. It is the only not correct option in this question. Okay,